Here I have an A4 with a 3-liter V6. If you're having trouble on a cylinder with possibly a misfire or something like that, and you're looking to find the fuel injectors, there's 6 of them total. Or you could, I suppose, be doing like an APR upgrade with like a larger CC injector. But there's, like I mentioned, there's 6 of them, 1, 2, 3 on each fuel rail, 1 fuel rail on the right side, 1 fuel rail on the left side, and you can see under here they're actually kind of green looking towards the bottom. A little bit tough to see there, but I promise they have a green ring, at least the original ones do. So you've got them kind of below. This fuel rail is bolted down with 2 bolts. Once you get these out, you actually, when you lift it off, it's basically just sitting on top of the injectors. There's O-rings on the top of each one to help seal, but they're not attached in any way to each injector. They're just sitting on top of them. It's kind of interesting, and you'll understand if you're removing the fuel rail what exactly I mean. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. Like I mentioned, it's just kind of identical on each side here, minus the fuel pressure regulator. But I hope this video helps. Good luck with your project, and have a great day.